Solid pressure, pressure exerted by solids. We have discussed pressure
Sir,
exerted by liquid. Yes.
sir, in the exam only second chapter is coming.
Only second chapter is coming. In examination, second chapter, that is physical quantities and measurement, I think. Second chapter, physical quantities and measurement will be there. Okay. Only second chapter. First chapter we have done in first part. Only second chapter will be there. Okay. Prepare well. Okay. So study these days. If you face any doubt, we are having next week as well. We will be having the classes. You can ask in that. Okay. So we were discussing atmospheric pressure. Okay. So effects of atmospheric pressure we have discussed first. Liquid rises in the syringe as we pull the piston or the plunger. Okay. Second, how it gets filled in fountain when we have discussed. Now rubber suction pads you have seen at home. Rubber suction pads. On the base, some kind of rubber is being provided, and like this, oval shaped, a part of oval, and a hanger is provided over it. Okay, so how this rubber section pad hangs our clothes, or how it get attached to the wall. Okay, so see here, you have seen the rubber section. Okay, so if we take the cross section, so it looks like this. Rubber section pad. It looks like from the side. This is the wall. Rubber section pad will be like this. Okay, now see here. As you press it, what happens? Whatever air inside between the rubber pad and the wall, it get released from the surrounding. From here, it get released. All the air is removed. Now we remove our hand. So what happens? First we press this, then it comes to this position. It means now very less or no air is inside. It means because of the pressure from outside air, it gets pressed against the wall. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
So all the air, it has been released from the surroundings, and now only the pressure from the outside acts. There is no pressure from inside. So because of air pressure, it gets pressed against the wall. It gets attached to the wall. Okay, and it sticks to the wall. Now you can hang the clothes. Okay, but as well there is a limit of hanging. Understood? This is how the suction pads works. Similarly, you have seen the lizards. Lizards, their feet are having small suction pads, and when they walk, they press it against the wall, and air is released from the suction pads, and vacuum is created, and thus they get stick to the wall. That's why the lizards walk on the wall. They can easily walk. Okay. Next, how you draw, how you drink from the. Okay, you for example, you're having a cold drink. Okay, take it milk. Milk is better than cold drink. Cold drink are harmful for your health, not good. Okay, so take a glass of milk and you have to drink it with a straw. So how you can drink it? How you are able to drink it? So this is the straw. Okay, liquid will be up to this level in the straw only. Now, what you do? You suck the air inside. You are sucking the air inside. When you are sucking the air inside, it means air from the straw is removed. As air from the straw is removed, it means here pressure is less as compared to outside pressure. Pressure is more as compared to the liquid. See here, some liquid is inside the straw as well and outside. So here the pressure in the straw, the air is being sucked in, therefore air pressure decreases. As air pressure decreases, what happens? This liquid will rise. The outside pressure is more as compared to inside pressure, difference in pressure, so liquid rises, and that's way we are able to drink the milk with the straw. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one, astronauts. So astronauts, when they go to space, there is no air, no atmospheric pressure will be there. So what will happen?
They can burst if they don't wear the.
They can burst there. They can burst because we are having blood pressure and our what's capillaries, that veins are there. The blood veins they may burst and nose bleedings and other things will start. Therefore, to avoid that, what we do? Special suits are worn by the astronauts. Special suits are there. They are worn by the astronauts so that air pressure can be maintained inside the suits. This is clear. so that air pressure can be maintained inside the suits. Okay. Next one, this one we have discussed. So as the height increases, air pressure decreases. You can see at this height, this is because of this height, there will be air pressure. At this height, less the height. At more altitude, less the height, less the air pressure. So with height, air pressure decreases.
Your
Yes.
voice is coming
Sir, in between your voice is cracking.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me reconnect.
No, sir, there is no problem for your voice.
Okay, now it's fine. Okay, it's okay, no issue. Okay, so what happens here at higher altitudes, as you move at high altitudes, less atmosphere is available, less pressure will be there. Less pressure, when less pressure is there, what will happen? There will be difference between atmosphere pressure, there will be more difference between atmosphere pressure and our blood pressure. More the difference, what will happen? The vessels carrying the blood, they may burst and we may have the nose bleeding. We may have the nose bleeding at higher altitudes. This is clear? Okay. Now, how we fill the air in balloon? So balloon we take, we blow the air in the balloon. As you blow the air in balloon, what happens? The air pressure inside the balloon becomes more as compared to outside pressure. As it becomes more, it will increase in size. To equalize the pressure, it increases in size. Understood? These are the effects of atmospheric pressure. So with this, we have completed the chapter. Okay. So checkpoint 4, atmospheric pressure dash with an increase in altitude. It increases or decreases? It decreases. Decreases. First thing, decreases. It becomes less as you move up the hill or up the mountain or up in the air. Understood? So first one decreases. Standard value of atmospheric pressure is
1.013 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal.
10 raised to 5 pascals. Or you can write simply 10 raised to power 5 pascals. Okay, it is fine. 10 raised to power 5 pascals is sufficient. No need of remembering this number. Okay, 10 raised to power 5 pascals. Okay, simple. Ink get filled in fountain pen due to atmospheric pressure. If there would have been no atmospheric pressure, we wouldn't have been able to fill that. Yes, Divyansh. It is atmospheric pressure. Okay, due to atmospheric pressure. Answer these questions. Does atmosphere exert a pressure?
Yes, the pressure
Yes.
is called atmospheric pressure.
Yes, atmosphere exerts a pressure. Okay. Next one, which liquid is used as barometric liquid for measuring atmospheric pressure? Mercury. Mercury we have used. Remember 13.6 HDG. Height of the mercury column into density of the mercury into acceleration due to gravity. So density 13.6 we have taken into 10 to the power 3. Mercury is used as a barometric liquid for measuring atmospheric pressure. Okay. Okay, Krishi answers.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you tell fifth? Fill in the blank fifth.
Fifth, liquid pressure at a point on the shape and size does not depend.
Independent.
Independent, no, not independent, we can't say because on is there. It's independent, but at a point dash on the shape. On the shape is given, so does not depend on the shape. If off is given, then we could have written independent of. Okay, does not depend. We'll be discussing them later. Numericals. First discuss the question answers so that you can complete the notebook. Okay. So yes,
Sir, this is not clear.
voice is not clear.
Sir, clear. Video is paused.
Video is paused. Is it paused?
No, sir, your
No, sir.
Okay,
your
Soumya.
voice is clear, but
Okay, one thing. So may do one thing. Join. Switch. Okay, let me do. I'm switching off the video. Okay. Now check Soumya. If still the trouble persists, you can rejoin the class, okay? Maybe network issue at your side. Okay.
Sir,
Voice
some
is-
background voice is coming.
Background voice.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay,
Sir,
okay,
I-
I'll reconnect
clear.
then.
Not coming background voice.
Sir, your voice is crystal.
Is it clear? Okay, 1 minute, mute everyone. Is it clear? The voice is clear or any background sound?
Sir, your voice is clear.
Clear.
Background voice is coming.
Okay, you can join it again, join the class again.
Sir, someone is unmuted and that background voice is
Okay,
coming.
okay, that's fine. It usually happens if someone get unmuted. Okay, so let's discuss next question first. 11th we have discussed, 12th we have discussed, 13th we have to discuss. Describe an activity to show that air exerts the pressure. We have to discuss an activity to show that air exerts the pressure. Page number 56, activity number 10. Activity number 10. That is tin can we have taken. That tin can we have taken. That experiment you have to describe. Okay. 13th question is clear to all. Okay, let's move to next. What do you mean by atmospheric pressure? State the numerical value of atmospheric pressure at sea level. What do you mean by atmospheric pressure?
It is the pressure of atmosphere which
Okay.
surrounds.
So it is given on page number 56. See page number 56, top first line. The pressure exerted by air column above us is called the atmospheric pressure. Second line you can read, the pressure exerted by the air column above us is called as atmospheric pressure. Okay, it's called as atmospheric pressure. Okay, state the numerical value. Numerical value you can write 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. This is fine. You can write 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. No need of remembering 1.013. If you want to, you can, or it's easy. 10 raised to power 5 Pascals. Okay, 10 raised to power 5 Pascals. You can remember with this. Okay, clear? Okay. Next one is write any two effects of atmospheric pressure. Write any two effects. So many effects are given on page number 57. Any two you can write. Any two effects you can write. Okay. Sirens, fountain pen, or hanger knobs, or lizards you can write, or cold drinks, straw using the drinking the cold drink, astronauts you can write. Any two you can write among them. Okay. So with this we have completed the question answers. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in question answers?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So let's start with give reasons for the following. Give reasons for the following. It is easier to open a door by pushing it near the edge. If this is the door, it is easier to open it by pushing it at the edge, near the edge. So what's the reason? What's the maximum? Torque is maximum because moment of force or turning effect increases. Okay, it's given page number 46, I think, as well. Page number 46. Okay, you can write like this. It is easier to open a door by pushing it near the edge because moment of force or turning effect increases.
Sir, where?
Because
Sir,
moment of
can you
force.
repeat?
Okay, see here. If you want to write in detail, okay, it's fine inside. Write in 2 lines. Because moment of force, because moment of force or turning effect increases. Okay, in more detail you want to write, you can write those all. You can explain that because the distance from the axis, that is from the distance from the hinge increases, and in turn, moment of force or turning effect increases. That also you can explain, or it's better to write like this. Because moment of force or turning effect increases. More the distance away from the hinges, more will be the turning effect. Okay, you can write like that also. Because more the distance from the hinges, more will be the turning effect. You can write like that as well. Okay. Is this clear? It's up to you how you write. Okay. So in 8th class, you should start writing answers in your own words. Okay. Stop copying from the book or anywhere. Start writing them in your own words. Okay. If slight bit mistake is there in examination, I'll avoid that. I'll just mark them and we'll let you know. I won't cut marks for little bit mistakes like grammatical mistakes and all. Okay. So you can form the answers in your own words. Okay. You must start forming the answers in your words now onwards. Okay. So whichever sentence seems easy to learn, write in your own words, frame it in your own words. Okay. Small sentences you make, 2 or 3 sentences, or you can join them using and or. Okay. Small sentences you make and you can explain the things. Okay. So you can write like this: because moment of force or turning effect increases, or you can write because more the distance from the hinges, more will be the turning effect. That is more easier to remember. More the distance from the hinges, more will be the turning effect. The handle of a hand operated. Okay. More the distance, because more the distance from the hinges. We are pushing at a more distance from the hinges. Second one, okay. Second one I haven't answered till now. The handle of a hand operated floor grinder is provided near its rim. Near its rim.
What the distance between the point of the force and the axis of rotation?
Okay, it's given on page number 46 as well. You can write there, page number 46 here. 4th point, you can see as is result. Okay, so you can, 1 minute, let me explain first. The handle of a hand operated floor grinder is provided near its rim, so that then you will start from here. So that perpendicular distance between the point of application of the force, the point where we are applying the force, it is near the rim, point of application of the force, and so we are calculating the distance between. Okay, see here, 1 minute. This is our grinding wheel. Here is the axis around which it rotates, and here we provide the force. So what we are doing, we are increasing the perpendicular distance of the point of application of the force from the axis of rotation. So how you are going to write? The handle of a hand operated floor grinder is provided near its rim, so that, and then you will start from page number 46, so that perpendicular distance between the point of application of force and axis of rotation of grinder is maximum, and the grinding stone can be rotated easily. So you can write it, on words as well, and try to understand that paragraph, and you can write it in your own words. Okay, so that the perpendicular distance of the point of application from the axis of rotation increases, and we can rotate it easily. Okay, or the grinding stone of the floor grinder can be rotated easily even with a less force. So you can write it from there in your own words. Okay, is this clear? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can put it in your own words. Okay, next one, a sharp pointed pin pierces easily through the pile of papers. So we are having pile of papers stacked over, 1 minute, papers stacked over each other. That is called a pile of papers. Now pin can be easily inserted, it can easily pierce through the pile of papers. Why? So if this is the pile of papers,
Very less surface area,
so here,
and the surface will the pressure.
since area is very less, more will be the pressure. Okay, so you can write from page number 48, it is given, I think. Page number 48. Okay, See here, activity 2, observation is there because pressure at a tip is more. Because pressure at the tip of the pin is more. Because pressure at the tip of the pin is more. Okay. In detail, you want to write, you can write it like this. Because all the pressure, all the force applied on the pin head will get concentrated on a very small area at the tip of the pin. You can see if we enlarge the pin will be something like this. Yes. So see here, all the force we are applying here, it will be concentrated on a very small point. That is the pressure. Therefore, it can pierce the paper, pile of paper. Okay. The sharp pointed pin pierces easily through the pile of papers. Either you can write because pressure at the tip is more. Pressure at the tip is more. Okay. While carrying loads, porter wear turbans on his head. Porters wear turbans to decrease the pressure. Now see here, as we are wearing the turban, more surface area will be in contact with the.
Voice is echoing.
1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Divanshi, please mute yourself. Divansh. Okay. Divanshi is another class. Okay. Please mute yourself. So see here what is happening. This is a load, for example. If no turban is there, what happens? Head will be like this. So less area in contact, and what we know, pressure equal to force upon area. So all the force is concentrated on a smaller area, therefore more pressure. Now where's the turban? So more area in contact, area increases, pressure decreases. Okay. So either you can say to distribute the pressure evenly on the surface, or you can say, right, see it is given on page number 52. On page number 52 it is given. Okay. Coolies wear turban. See here. Because these turbans help them in increasing the area of contact, which reduce the pressure of the load on their heads. Understood? Below those two pics are given. Railway track and rail and a coolie.
Can you tell page number again?
Page number 52, above checkpoint 2, just above checkpoint 2. So while carrying load, porter wears turban on his head. Porter. Because these turbans help them in increasing the area of contact, which reduce the pressure of the load on their heads. Okay. You can write it in your own words as well. Understood? You all have got the answer? Okay. Now let's move to next one. White concrete sleepers are fixed below a railway track. You have seen the concrete sleepers? You have seen the railway lines made up of iron, straight to parallel lines. And below that, you can see blocks of concrete. Rectangular blocks of concrete, they are called as sleepers. Like this. So see here what happens. If no sleepers are there, railway tracks, less area in contact, more pressure on the ground, they may sink. Now, because of sleepers, what happens? All the force is transferred to the sleepers, more area in contact, less pressure on the ground. Okay. So it also given page number 52. It is given on page number 52. White concrete sleepers are fixed below railway track because page number 52, see the second line on top. Because these sleepers increase the area of contact. Because these increase the area of contact and hence decrease the pressure exerted by the weight of the train on the ground. Hence, decrease the pressure exerted by the weight of the train on the ground. Understood? This is clear? Okay. Now, next one. Shoes with wide and flat sole are more comfortable than high-heeled shoes. Okay. More broad they are, less pressure they will apply. So you can write because shoes. Okay. shoes with wide and flat sole are more comfortable than high-heeled shoes because they exert less pressure. So what are they here? Shoes with wide and flat sole because they exert less pressure on ground. As compared to high-heeled shoes. Yes, Ritika, are you writing the answers for learning? Because they exert less pressure on ground. Than high-heeled shoes. Or you can write as compared to high-heeled shoes. Yes.
Can you tell me fifth and sixth again?
Fifth and sixth, okay, I'll tell afterwards, okay? So shoes with
Height?
Voice is cutting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute.
So now it's clear.
Now is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This time it happens, I will remove them. I'll use this microphone. Because I'm standing only, so it's fine. Okay. So shoes with wide and flat sole are more comfortable than high-heeled shoes because they exert less pressure on ground as compared to high-heeled shoes. Okay. This is clear? Okay. So we have discussed this. Now, see here. Fourth question I'm discussing here, fourth part. While carrying load, Porter wears turban on his head. Open page number 52. Those who are skipped, open page number 52 for fourth. Okay. See checkpoint 2. Above checkpoint, you have 2 lines are written. See the second line. Because these turbans help them in increasing the area of contact, which reduce the pressure on the load on their head.
That's same answer.
This is answer for fourth. Fourth it is. It is for fourth. For fifth, white concrete sleepers. See the 2 lines above that, above the 2 pics on the same page. See the 2 lines? Steel rails are fixed having concrete or white concrete sleepers, that one. So there you write fifth answer. White concrete sleepers are fixed below a railway track. So because these increase the area of contact and hence decrease the pressure exerted by the weight of the train on the ground. Understood? Fifth answer, 2 lines above the peak. Fourth answer, 2 lines below the peaks. Clear? Okay, let's move next.
Yes,
We prefer a steering wheel of a large diameter. Page number 51. 51 or 57? 51.
Number 47.
Page number 47. Page number 47. We prefer a steering wheel of large diameter. Page number 47. You can write it in own words. We prefer a steering wheel of large diameter because.
Sorry, your voice is cutting.
Okay, 1 minute.
Your voice is not coming.
You all can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So next one, see here. Steering wheel. We prefer a steering wheel of larger diameter because larger the diameter, more will be the turning effect. Because larger the diameter increases the turning effect or increases the moment of force. Because larger the diameter, larger will be the turning effect. Or you can write larger the diameter, more will be the turning effect. This is clear?
Yes.
You can write it
Yes,
in your own
sir.
words. Okay. More in detail you want to write, you can write that. Okay. But this is very short and sweet. Okay. A dam has broader walls at the bottom than at the top. Okay.
Because
It is
the
having broader walls at the bottom than at the top. Because
lateral pressure is exerted on the sides and it is most
so
exerted
maximum pressure is at the
Yes,
base.
sir.
Page number 54. Page number 54. See something more. Something more is there. In the last three lines. Because pressure of stored water is maximum at the base. Because pressure of stored water is maximum at the base. Because pressure of stored water is maximum at the base. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Next one. Let's do next one. Deep sea divers wear special suits. Deep sea divers wear special suits. Page number
Pressure and 50 will not wear
55. Page number 55. Because see a consequences of liquid pressure first line. Because the pressure exerted by water in a sea or ocean increases with the depth. With depth. Because the pressure. Page number yes.
Sir, where on 55 page number?
Okay, page number 55, open page number 55, see consequences of liquid pressure. First point, you have seen that. That one you won't write, so how you are going to write? From the question you will write, deep sea divers wear special suits so that, then you start from page number 55. The pressure exerted by water in a sea or ocean increases with depth. Okay, consequences of liquid pressure is there, first line, so that the pressure exerted by water, in a sea or ocean increases with depth, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, last one. A person may have nose bleeding at high altitude. We have discussed it. Person may have nose bleeding at high altitude because
Yes, sir.
air atmospheric pressure decreases and there is more difference. Okay, so page number 57 you can write. Page number 57. Because see the second point, checkpoint you have written. Checkpoint 4 above that second point. Atmospheric pressure decreases. Atmospheric pressure decreases. Ritika, switch off the video. Because atmospheric pressure decreases with an increase in altitude. From that point you write. Because atmospheric pressure decreases with an increase in altitude. At high altitude, atmospheric pressure is low as compared to the blood pressure of a person. The imbalance may cause bursting of blood vessels like nose bleeding. So that you can put it in your own words, okay? That point, last point, you can put it in your own words. Is this clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Divansh, I'm not able to hear you clearly. Yes?
I have marked
Okay, give me 1 minute. Let me use this.
first.
Sir,
Yes.
Divyansh is saying something.
Sir,
Yes, Divansh.
question answer first.
Give me 1 minute. Let me connect them. I won't be able to. I'm not able to.
Sir, can we exit?
Yes, you can exit. Okay. Divansh, you can stay. You can exit.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day. So complete these questions and give reasons. Divyansh, I'm not able to hear you what you are saying. So either you can text me on WhatsApp, I'll reply you there, okay?